Hello everybody, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I will show you how to merge layers in Illustrator. So let's get started the video. If you don't see layers panel here, then click on window and select layer from the drop down menu. Now select the layers by holding Ctrl. Then click on these three lines and click on merge selected option. It merged those two layers into one. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.